Beautiful morning today after a whole week's worth of a lot of rain. Saturday. It is Saturday morning and we are ready to do a whole lot of work. I'm excited about it, but I'm also excited that slowly winter is going away. Still early. We still have maybe a couple of months of it, but it feels like things are warming up a little bit. I'm excited about it. So let's see what we can do today, but I'm pretty sure we're going to do a whole lot of good stuff. Saturday morning again. I've been so busy at work, I haven't been able to do last week's episode, so we're going to combine them. We did do work, I just didn't have time to edit the video. But being a Saturday that it is, and it's kind of a cloudy one, you can see it up there. My plan is to try to get as close to finished in that guest bedroom today as possible. All the big stuff are done. We just need to patch up a whole lot of still holes of with drywall compound, and I need to put some screws because the wall is coming. It has come not loose, but the nails have kind of poked out because of all the years. That's a natural thing. It happens. So I'm going to replace them with screws, and then go ahead and patch all of that so we can be ready hopefully by tomorrow, the day after, to paint. And once we paint, all it is about putting furniture back in. The only thing we haven't bought for it yet is the doors to the new closet that we have made. But let's see how far we can get today, and I hope we can do all of it, or very close to all of it. All right, so today what we're doing is sanding. We've made a lot of patches that we're going to be covering again. It's just first pass. We have a lot of screws and stuff to still fix. We haven't done all of them. Here's what it looks like after we build the closet. The idea behind it is that we are going to make shelves on the inside there, like this, and then we'll have a rod that goes across. And so we'll see what that looks like, but I think it's gonna look pretty good. And then we are now kind of down to the last few bits, which is really sanding the bigger lines in there. We also need to mud the inside of these, and of course all the screw holes. So we're prepping for that, to hopefully do all of that and move on from there to painting. Okay, so we'll put in another about 30 minutes worth of work, maybe a little bit more. And we have patched a lot. And I think we've patched everything that we need. I'm gonna have to look again over to make sure. But let me show you what we have done and how we did it, I guess. you'll see there is a little hole and then a wider patch. So the little hole is the screw. So I would see where the screw was, the nail was popping out. I would put a screw anywhere between 1/2 inch and 1 inch away from the previous nail. Then I would just drive the nail further in and purposefully push the drywall in a little bit. So whenever we patch it, it makes it really nice and flat.